Hello everyone, welcome to the very first video on Introduction to HTML for Beginners series. And in this video, we are going to see a basic introduction to HTML. So these are the things that we are going to see in this video. First, introduction of HTML, objective of HTML, and how to create an HTML document. So HTML is basically language for describing web pages. If you take any web pages that powered by any front-end framework like React or Ember or Vue.js, at the end they convert JavaScript into HTML language. So HTML is the one which is ideally powering the web. And second point is HTML stands for hypertext markup language. And HTML is not a programming language, it is a markup language. You don't have to deal with conditions, statements, or anything. It is just a markup language. And markup language is nothing but a set of markup tags. So when we say markup tags, some of the commonly used tags are head, title, and body. These are the most commonly used tags. And HTML uses markup tags to describe the web pages. So what is the objective of HTML? So create, save, and view a HTML document. Basically, it convert the tags into a web page and format a web page using section heading tags and describe ordered, unordered list. Explain graphics in HTML document, like you can embed a video, you can embed an image, and you can also embed an audio file and everything that was supported by HTML. So describe hypertext links and markup text or image link, as I mentioned earlier. How to create an HTML document? The essential tags that are required to create HTML documents are these three: HTML tag and head tag, body tag. So you don't need to worry too much about these tags, because in the next video we are going to see a hands-on on how to create a very simple hello world HTML web page using HTML markup tags. That's what we will see in the next video. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.